Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into Xcode.life, a fascinating tool designed to enhance your Rome research experience. Located at https://www.xcode.life, this platform offers a compelling set of features to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity within Rome. It acts as a bridge between your Rome database and other digital tools and services, opening up exciting possibilities for integration and automation. Imagine seamlessly connecting your Rome notes with your task management system, calendar, or even other note-taking applications. Xcode.life aims to make these connections a reality, offering a more dynamic and interconnected way to leverage the power of Rome. One of the key benefits of exploring a tool like Xcode.life lies in its potential to automate repetitive tasks. Think about the time you spend manually copying and pasting information between different applications. With smart integrations, Xcode.life can potentially eliminate much of this manual labor, freeing you up to focus on more meaningful work. This could involve anything from automatically creating tasks in your project management software based on your Rome notes to syncing your daily schedule with your Rome calendar. The possibilities are vast, and they represent a significant step forward in optimizing your personal knowledge management system. Furthermore, Xcode.life presents an opportunity to extend the functionality of Rome research beyond its core features. By integrating with other specialized tools, you can unlock new capabilities within your Rome workflow, such as advanced data visualization, powerful search functions, or even integration with AI-powered services. This opens the door for a more personalized and tailored Rome experience, allowing you to truly customize the platform to meet your specific needs. Whether you're a student, a researcher, a writer, or a knowledge worker, Xcode.life provides a pathway to amplify the power of Rome and unlock its full potential. So be sure to check out Xcode.life at https://www.xcode.life and discover how it can transform your Rome research workflow.